Start the class. Okay, we'll start with the third lesson today, and we have two new grammar topics coming up. The grammar topic that we did on the last time I have just sent, and there are two new topics. One is the pronotonic, and one is the future proche. We'll do that today. First, we'll do le pronotonic. Okay, le pronotonic. Le pronotonic is like mine, yours, his, her, ours, yours, theirs. So that is what is pronotonic. So with different subject pronoun, we have a different pronotonic. See, this will not change. This will remain same. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. This sequence will not change anywhere. Now, with je, the pronotonic that we use is moi. With tu, it is toi. Il, it is lui. Elle, it remains elle only. Nous is nous. Vous is vous. Il is o. And elle is elle. So moi, toi, lui, elle, nous, vous, o, elle. You can remember this in this sequence only. It will be easier. Moi, toi, lui, elle, nous, vous, eux, elle. Mine, yours, his, her, ours, yours, and theirs. I'll write it also. Mine, yours, his, her, ours, yours, and this is their. With this combination means their, theirs. So, for example, et toi, tu parles français, and you, do you speak French? Toi, only your means that only yours it is. It is also meant you also. Donne-le-moi, give it to me. Les livres sont à moi. The books are mine. Les livres sont à moi. The books are mine. Je veux aller avec toi. I want to go with you. Tu études plus que moi. You study more than me. Now, you have to complete this exercise with the chronotonic. Now, how will you do it? Dash, je vais à la plage. Moi, je vais à la plage. Nous avons soif. Apporter, you have to see the subject pronoun and fill in the chronotonic over here. I hope chronotonic is clear. No difficulty in chronotonic, I guess. The next topic, future proche. Okay, phonotonic is basically it. How to fill the sentences? You just have to see the subject pronoun. If it is written no anywhere or who anywhere, you have to use the phonotonic of that subject pronoun. The next is future proche. Future proche is the simple future, the future tense. I will do that. I will go here. That. So, what it is how will you write it? Sujet means the subject. It can be a name of a person, name of people, or it can be the subject pronoun. Then ale, and then the verb in the infinitive form. Verb in the infinitive form means we will not conjugate that verb. We will only conjugate ale. This is a rule. When there are two verbs together, only the first one is conjugated, not the next one simultaneously. So, ale conjugation, I'll again repeat. Je vais, tu vas, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, elles vont. See, ale simply means to go. But when we are writing future proche, ale doesn't means to go. Like say, these are some of the examples. Je vais manger chez toi. I will eat at your place. I will eat at your place. Tu vas aller au cinéma. You'll go to cinema. Elle va faire ses devoirs. She will do her work. Nous allons visiter notre grand-mère. We will visit our grandmother. Vous allez voyager à l'étranger. You will go to foreign. Ils vont prendre l'avion. They will take the flight. Okay, similarly here also it is written no. So you will write the ale with no it is allons, allons, and then the verb will be same. No change in the verb. Nous allons dîner chez vous. We will have dinner at your place. Understood future prosh? No doubt in future prosh? Any doubt in future prosh? Okay. Simran, you can at least write if you are not responding anything. Now we come to the book. Okay. Now the third lesson is answer deton. We rest. Chapter starts over here. Answer deton. We rest. Okay, parlez de ces activités. Talk about your activities, what you're going to do or something. Tu fais du tennis? Okay, first I'll do this. Okay, the verb faire. The verb faire is a very important verb in French. Faire, venir, and aller. So, when you are writing some activity, especially activity, we use faire. Faire means to do. So, with faire, you will use du, de la, the L apostrophe, and they. And then you will write the noun. Like, je fais du vélo. This article will depend on the gender of the noun. Je fais du vélo, I do cycling. Tu fais de la natation, you do swimming. Nous faisons, vous faites, ils font, il fait, whatever you want to write. Attention, négation avec du et de la. Je ne fais pas de vélo. Okay, you remember I told you one rule in negation that if it is un, un and they, it changes to de or d apostrophe. Same will go with these articles also. In negation, they will change to, in negation, they will change to de or d apostrophe. Okay, the verb venir. Je viens, tu viens, elle vient, nous venons, vous venez, elles viennent. You have to go to some place. We have already done that preposition a, o, ala, ala, apostrophe, and o. And if you are at some place, then it is she. She and the person's name. I'm at Pierre's house. I'm at Paul's house. Like that. These country pronouns we have done. Let's come to this. Tu fais du tennis? Do you play tennis? J'adore le tennis. I love tennis. En décembre, je vais au Seychelles. In December, I'll go to Seychelles. C'est au Maroc? Is it in Maroc? Moi, je vais à Ibiza. Me, I'll go to Ibiza. No, c'est en Espagne. No, it's in Spain. Demain, je vais à la plage. Tu viens? Tomorrow. Demain is tomorrow. Very important word for future brush. Tomorrow, I'll go to the beach. Plage is beach. Tu viens? Will you come? No, je vais au village. No, I'm going to village. Ici, c'est super. On peut faire du VTT et de la randonnée. Here, it is superb. We can do VTT. VTT is a mountain biking. Et de la randonnée, mountain climbing. Tu aimes le VTT et la randonnée? You like mountain climbing and mountain riding? Où est Marie? Where is Marie? Elle est chez Tony. She is at Tony's place. This is the way we use in the sentences. This exercise we will do, you have to do either with ale or venir. Ale means to go, venir means to come. So this vocab is easy if you have been studying. And I repeat, still have not got any homework from your side. Very often your mic is not working. No homework I receive for checking. Don't pile it up. It will be very tough if you pile it up. Chronotonic we have just done. The preposition, the pronouns used uh, after a preposition. Avec qui tu vas? With whom are you going? Avec moi? With me? Avec lui? With him? Avec elle? With her? Ou avec eux? Or with them? Viens avec nous. Come with us. Now here, observez l'utilisation des pronoms et complétez. Flore fait du sport avec Pierre et Antoine. Oui, elle fait du tennis avec. Now you have to get a chronotonic for them. The word that is not mentioned. Can you tell me what you will write over here? Avik, what? I have already shared, I think, this book with you, this and the other one, workbook. Yes, tell me a pronoun that we will use over here for Pierre and Antoine. There are two people. What pronotonic you will use over here? What will you write? See, you have to tell me. Oh, yes. Who will come over here? Same way you will do the rest. Future we have just done. Demain, on va faire une randonnée. Et toi, qu'est-ce que tu vas faire? Tomorrow we will do mountain climbing. And you, what will you do? Je suis fatigué. Je vais rester ici. Je vais lire un roman. Roman I told you on the last turn. I am tired. I'll rest over here only. I will read a novel. Okay, you have to here in this, you have to write a set of dialogues over here comprising of four people between among four people, Melissa, Noemi, Florent, and Luca. They are making their weekend plan. They have given you a list of verbs to use. You have to use these verbs and imagine. Imagine means like imagine what they can say about these words. What are they going to do? It's all about future. Then, pour exprimer la possibilité or l'obligation. For expressing a possibility or obligation, we use these four verbs: vouloir, pouvoir, savoir, and devoir. We have done all these four verbs when we were doing the verbs. Vouloir, je veux, tu veux, il, elle veut, nous voulons, vous voulez, il, elle veulent. Pouvoir, je peux, tu peux, il, elle peut, nous pouvons, vous pouvez, ils, elles peuvent. Savoir, je sais, tu sais, il, elle sait, nous savons, vous savez, ils, elles savent. Devoir, je dois, tu dois, il, elle doit, nous devons, vous devez, ils, elles doivent. You have to complete with these four verbs only. This thing. Then this is the third part of Vous connaissez la chanson, that dialogues. The first set, le 12 juillet à la Cité Universitaire. You remember at Cité Universitaire, it was musique et danse that was happening over there. Noemi avec Melissa. So she's Noemi with Melissa. Luca, like they knock the door. Luca, say no. Like Luca, it's us. Entree, enter. Our fair jogging. We are going to do jogging. Tu viens avec nous? Are you coming with us? Je ne peux pas. Je travaille. I cannot come. I am working. Je travaille. I am working. Travail doesn't mean travel. Travail means to work. So verb. I'm working. Qu'est-ce que tu fais? What are you doing? J'apprends le rôle de Quasimodo. I'm learning the role of Quasimodo. Quasimodo is a very famous character from a novel, which what They are playing the play of Quasimodo. Okay, so he is practicing the main lead character's role, Quasimodo. Toi aussi, you are also doing it. Ils veulent tout le rôle de Quasimodo. They all want the role of Quasimodo. Now, le 13 juillet. Melissa. Demain, il n'y a pas de cours. Qu'est-ce qu'on fait? Melissa is asking that tomorrow we don't have a class. What are we going to do? Third scene we see is at the discotheque. Discotheque is a disco. Okay, La Locomotive. La Locomotive is the name of that discotheque. Now, Noemi says, Ah, bien, Florent, tu ne danses pas. Oh, Florent, you're not dancing. Je n'ai pas envie. Je n'ai pas envie. Okay, I'll write this for you. Je n'ai pas envie and you are de la you are de la misère. Misère. Both of these expressions they means I'm not in mood. Oh, sorry. Je n'ai pas envie means I'm not in mood. So, toi, Florent, tu as de la misère. You are de la avoir de la misère. It's an expression which means this, and you are a a problem. Means do you have a problem? They both mean the same thing. Say, so Noemi says, toi, Florent, tu as de la misère and you have a problem. Qu'est-ce que tu dis? What did you say? C'est une expression du Québec. It's an expression of Quebec. She's from Quebec, no? So, savadi means tu as a problem. Je n'ai pas de problème, Noémie, mais je suis fatiguée et j'ai envie de partir. J'ai envie de partir. I want to leave. I want to leave. Je peux venir avec toi? Can I come with you? Bien sûr, of course. Now, the fourth scene over here, it's le 16 juillet au Théâtre du Châtelet, where they are performing it. Alors, Sarah, qui va avoir le rôle de Quasimodo? So, Luca is asking, who will get the role of Quasimodo? Je suis désolé, Luca. Je suis désolé. I'm sorry. Vous préférez Florent? Do you prefer Florent? Oui. Dommage. Dommage? It's sad. Then he again starts singing Je me voyais déjà en haut de l'affiche. I I saw myself already on the height of the magazine. Okay, now here they are telling the role of they are telling what it is actually. Châtelet Théâtre Musical de Paris. It's a musical theater of Paris. Notre-Dame de Paris, spectacle musical le 25 juillet à 21h par les chanteurs, les danseurs et les musiciens de l'ensemble musique et danse. So it is in the Notre-Dame de Paris spectacle. Spectacle means show. So a musical show. It is on 25th July at 21 at 9 o'clock. Par les chanteurs by the singers, les danseurs the dancers et les musiciens, and the musicians, the l'ensemble musique et danse, and with all together music and musique et danse. Now, what is actually the story? Au 14e siècle means 14th century, siècle is century, siècle is century. Dans le quartier de la cathédrale Notre-Dame de Paris, trois hommes aiment la belle Esmeralda. So, in the 14th century, in the place of Notre-Dame de Paris, near the region of that, three men love the beautiful Esmeralda. She is Esmeralda, okay, and three of them loved her. One was this man, one was this ugly man, and one was this animal. Now, no, three of them were there. Okay, two. Second one is not here. Le jaloux Frollo, the jealous Frollo. Jalo is jealous. Le beau capitaine Phoebus et Quasimodo, the handsome captain of Phoebus, the handsome captain Phoebus and Quasimodo. A jeune homme pauvre et laid, and a young man, poor and ugly. So this is the story of Quasimodo. Okay, now we'll do this in invitation and then you have to respond this invitation. The means the, from, a, to whom. So it is from Jeremy Bonal to Sylvia Pesquet. The date is 10 juillet and it is reproposition. Now let's read it. Bonjour Sylvain. Merci. Remember one thing, whenever you are writing some invitation or a letter or something, always greetings are very necessary. Without the greetings, you will lose marks. Merci beaucoup pour ton invitation au Festival de Vicharu. Thank you so much for the invitation for the Vicharu Festival. Le programme est excellent et j'adore Mickey Fraude. Mickey Truade is a DJ player. Okay, so the program is very excellent and I love Mickey 3D. Je voudrais bien venir, mais je ne peux pas. I would like to come, but I cannot come. C'est dommage, it's sad. Le week-end du 28 juillet, je dois être à Bizaris. So, for the weekend of 28 July, I have to be there at Bizaris. Une copine fait une grande fête. One of my friend is giving a big party. Il y a tous les copains de l'université et la copine est charmante. Uh, so, all the friends of the universities are there and the girl is charming. Alors tu comprends? So, hope you understand. Bon concert. Have a great concert, Jeremy. Now, this is one you have to respond to this. What will you respond? Keep it in keep it in present tense only. Don't make it from Google if you are doing the work. Second one. This is a postal card, postcard. Orillon, le, these juillet. He's writing to, no, sorry, it's a place, Aurélien. Who is writing Morhan et Laurent to Anne et Pierre Duchamp. The address is written over here. Chers amis, il fait beau. Il fait beau. It's an expression which means the weather is good. La mer est bonne et l'île de l'Orient est magnifique. The sea is very good and Île is island and the island of Orléans is magnifique, magnificent. Laurent fait du golf. Laurent is playing golf. Moi du vélo, me doing cycling. On rencontre des gens sympas. We meet nice people. Voulez-vous venir le weekend du 24? We want to come for 24th of this weekend. On a envie de découvrir deux ou trois restos avec vous. So we would like to spend 2 or 3 days with you. You have to respond this to. This is for the. See, it is imaginez. Le message d'invitation de Sylvain et la réponse de Anne et Pierre Duchamp. This is what I told you to do. And this is for each text. It's a short comprehension kind of a thing for each text. Okay, I'll send you another link. Join from that, then we will do this.